We require all patients and their escorts to wear masks. Physical contact is not permitted. The waiting room area is no longer open for patients to utilize as a seating space, but will be used for signing paperwork, in which case only one person will be allowed in at a time. Please leave unnecessary items like coats and bags in the car. To aid in social distancing, we ask that you come to your appointments alone. The entire dental personnel will be wearing personal protection equipment. Staff temperatures will be taken several times a day. Staff will also hand sanitize and change gloves consistently throughout the day. All air purifiers are equipped with HEPA filters and UV lights and are located in the waiting area and in each exam room. All equipment is sanitized with UVC light. An air fogger will be used in each treatment room, as well as all commonly touched rooms and areas after each use and between each patient. Rooms have also been equipped with a healthy air system and dental aerosol extractor to reduce aerosol during treatments. A few days prior to your appointment, you will be asked to complete a COVID-19 clearance form with ADA and CDC recommended questions. Appointments will be scheduled at specific intervals to minimize the number of people in the office. We ask that you arrive on time to your appointment, since that time slot will be dedicated to you and you alone. We will call you 15 minutes prior to your appointment to ensure that you are on your way and that you will arrive on time. When you have arrived downstairs, we ask that you call us so a patient concierge can meet you outside. The concierge will take you right to a hand sanitizing station. A special mouth rinse will be provided for patients before, during, and after procedures.
Envy Smile is open again, and we're safer than ever.